Okay.
Hey, it's MC's turn.
Okay, back up, Stephanie. You're way in front. Come on. Go ahead.
Welcome everyone. Thank you all for coming.
Can you look at us, please?
We'll be doing many performances tonight.
You guys are too cute.
First, we will start with a group performance. We will be singing and dancing to Jingle Bell Rock.
Please enjoy.
Can we sing a little?
Yay! This is what we do in our family.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Rolling and rolling through the fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's the right time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Ain't carry up the jingle bell, jingle your feet.
Keep going. Come on, keep
Well,
going.
guys, that was amazing. Now it's time for Jasmine to sing her solo.
No,
She's going to be singing
we wish you a Merry Christmas.
Come on, Jasmine. Jasmine, you did it last night. Do it again. Come on. Okay, Jazz, hurry up, please. We're all waiting for you. You're beautiful. Come on, Jasmine.
Let's start it.
I'll pay you $5.
No, you're doing it by yourself because I was your solo.
She's singing, but I'll be up
Okay,
here.
go ahead.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Sing,
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The holidays we bring to you and your cake. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wow, that was wonderful.
Yay. Wait, their turn. No.
Now Jeremiah solo. No. He's doing Rudolph. Come on, Jeremiah.
Yes,
That
he's
was
going
amazing.
to.
Now we
Jay.
have a performance by...
Come on.
And I'm loud. And that's good enough. At least you got it.
Yeah,
Where I get it from.
How come it's good enough? Then it's not good enough for her then.
Karen's falling
It's
asleep.
not fair. Because he's a boy.
She did it all, but he wouldn't.
and
Video.
video.
You guys, the video's on. Come on.
By Tiara. Tiara's solo. She'll be singing Silent Night.
I will skip that part.
Let's go. Come on.
Come on,
I don't care what you
sing. You're singing.
Yay,
You made the
Tiara.
7-year-old.
I didn't ask you.
And this time I want your mouth open, by the way. Like
I can't open it. It hurts my throat.
Drop Amber, you're next. Let's go.
Silent night. Oh.
We don't want to hear your voice.
That's right.
We don't want to hear your voice.
You're supposed to be holding her mouth, not her throat.
Breathe now.
Mother and child, holding hands in both tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace.
Wow.
Yay! That was only one verse. Where's the rest of the song?
Keep going, guys. Come on, let's
My
go.
nail broke.
We will have a performance by Tiara.
Next, we'll have a performance by JJ.
By Tiara and Jasmine. They will be singing and dancing to Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
That's the only thing he comes for is Granddad's oranges. Granddad bought him his whole bag.
No, JJ doesn't have any solo.
Mommy, my nail broke.
Okay, let's get to this.
La 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 la.
Taping here.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
1,
Okay, 8, I
2,
got it.
1, 2, 3, go.
I didn't hear nothing.
Mom.
Buddy, you're in home, man. Oh.
Keep going.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
Like Tinkerbell.
All of the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names.
Like Pinocchio.
They never let poor Rudolph get any reindeer.
Like Monopoly.
Then one sunny Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
In his underwear.
Rudolph with your nose so bright, won't you glide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeers loved him. After shouting out with glee,
Miss Glee.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer will go down in history.
Geography!
I was blocking my nose because I don't like the smell of orange.
Now we'll be having this duet by me and my sister singing.
My solo.
Oh, now we have a solo by Maya singing Feliz Navidad.
And then I'm gonna do Justin Bieber. Yes, I am. It's the most beautiful time of the year.
Feliz Navidad.
It was camera mouth.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospere año felicidad.
Go ahead, Mom.
Feliz Navidad.
That's Merry Christmas in Spanish, right?
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospere año felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom
Of my toe. Oh.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
From the bottom of my toe.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Good job, Maya! JJ, he's laughing. Look at his face.
Now we have a duet.
Good joke, I thought.
Hey.
Come up with orange in his mouth.
Oh, my stomach hurts.
Now we'll be having a duet by me and Maya. We'll be doing a mix of many different Christmas songs.
Oh, this is gonna be
This is
fun.
gonna be real fun.
Yeah, watch it both get mixed up.
Okay, come on, stop.
Baby's enjoying herself.
Leon fell asleep watching it.
I know.
I know.
That's entertaining.
I don't want a lot for Christmas.
There is just one thing I need. Underneath the Christmas tree.
I just want you for my own.
More than you can ever know.
Make my wish come true.
Baby, all I want for Christmas is you.
And I want to help you sing. Make it
right.
Oh, my stomach hurts. Oh, my God. Stomach hurts so bad.
Laughing all the way.
Ha, ha, ha.
Oh, what fun it is to ride a sleigh tonight.
Hey.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey.
Jingle bell, bell my smells from late today. The Batmobile lost the wheel, Joker got away.
Hey.
I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus will do.
Something stuck to the bottom of my shoe.
My two front teeth. All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth.
I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
We wish
Grandma
you a
said I
Merry
know where by a
Christmas. We
reindeer.
wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry
Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Now
the last show of the night will be Maya and Jasmine doing a duet to I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus.
Oh, yes.
That's my favorite.
Do you guys remember the words this time?
I don't remember them all.
I'll help you.
Ready?
Put the baby in the video.
I saw Mommy kissing
Santa Claus
underneath the mistletoe last night.
She didn't see me creep
Downstairs
to have a peek. She thought that I was
in my
bedroom fast asleep. Then I saw Mommy tickle Santa Claus underneath his beard so snowy white.
Oh, what a sight it would have been if Daddy had only seen Mommy kissing Santa Claus last night.
Yay!
That's how it goes? I thought it was going
Now the stage is free for anyone who wants to take it.
Anybody else want to go up there?
Not
Jeremiah, go on.
That's
Okay, there you go.
Take this turn.